A child sexual offence is when a child is forced or persuaded to get involved in sexual activities, and in Uganda, this is still a big challenge as reflected in the number of cases reported annually. Uganda Annual Police Crime Report of 2021 shows that 16,144 cases related to sexual abuse were reported, and out of this, 14,320 cases, representing 88.7%, were female juveniles, while 202 were for male juveniles, a representative of 1.25%.
One of the challenges that we do have is underreporting of cases. Definitely these cases happen in communities, in families, at workplaces and on the streets, where most women and children are victims. But these cases are not reported at police in time, but also cases are not reported at all.
It is against this background that child rights advocates are pushing for the passing of the Sexual Offence Bill 2019 to protect children against sexual exploitation. This implies that female juveniles are most at risk of child sexual abuse than compared to their male counterparts.
So we see that the distances that these girls move to school is a little bit hard, as in they are so far. So along the road, there are a lot of challenges. We are seeing borders trying to entice these girls with as low as 500 shillings.
There is a provision on householders, against householders or owners of property or premises who permit a child to be offended in that place sexually, defiled, raped, and other forms of sexual offenses that we talk about. So when there is a property like where we are here right now, and a child is defiled in that place, then the owner of the property also is answerable. Because if you see a child moving into a room with a woman or a man, you have to be concerned to understand whether that is a parent or otherwise.
We are working on the Sexual Offences Bill, and we hope that, and we are pushing to ensure that a more comprehensive and inclusive bill is passed. We are doing this by making sure that we carry out a lot of consultations around this bill. We are going to consult with the civil society organizations, religious leaders, cultural leaders, to ensure that all their views are included into this bill. We hope that this bill, once passed, will protect the rights of women, will protect the girls, boys, men, and everyone against all forms of sexual violences in the country.
The Executive Director, Joy for Children, a child rights non-government organization, Moses Ntenga, points out sensitization of communities is also key in curbing child sexual abuse.
It will be the culture of impunity, where the offenders are not held to account, where offenders abuse children and nothing happens, they are not taken to police, or the case never gets resolved. Or even in instances where parents or guardians try to go to police or courts of law, it's a very tedious exercise. After even your child has been defiled, but then you must make so many trips to and from the police to try to seek justice for your child.
The Sexual Offences Bill was initiated during the 10th Parliament, and up to date, it has not been passed.
We cannot do anything in the vacuum. So what we do is